So, good night, everybody. The seats installed. J Series freaks. This is an awesome upgrade. Look at that. No modifications. The bracket just go direct plug and play. Here we go. See that? No issues. eBay seats. And if we can measure how high is it, it's perfect, my people. Extremely perfect. They look really good. I like them. The best part with this upgrade, we save or we reduce 80 to 90 pounds around. That's a lot. So, all finished. Just, when you install it, eBay seats like this, when you're gonna slide them, don't slide them really hard, because for sure the nuts or the holders are not really the best. Just treat them good. Yeah, they look really nice with the OEM seat belt. You just have to install it, and that's it. Take it out from the other one, and that's it. Racing seats, Accord 2005 with planted bracket. No modification needed. Thank you for watching YouTube. See ya in the next video. Woo!